Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting removal now. First, unlock the phone and make sure battery is above 20% so nothing interrupts the process. Once ready, you need to understand why you're removing the account, device sync, privacy, or handing off the phone, because data like contacts and app settings may be removed. Now open Settings, scroll to Accounts or Users and Accounts, and tap it. This takes you directly into the list of synced accounts, so you can choose the Google. Next, tap the exact Google account you want to remove and look for Remove Account or a menu with that option. This is the core action. When you tap it, the system will warn that app data and sync will stop. That's intentional and explains the why. If the phone is secured, you'll be asked to enter your device PIN, pattern, or password to authorize removal, so make sure you have those credentials handy before confirming, then approve the removal to proceed. Finally, verify the account no longer appears in the accounts list, and then reboot the device to ensure sync and app behavior update cleanly. Make sure to sign out of apps that use that account, and if you plan to add a new account, do it after the restart so there's no conflict. If removal fails, note that factory reset protection or device management policies may block it. Check account security settings or remove device management before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.